how to revive heroes in TBH taskbar hero. So I'm going to explain how this works. I'm just going to go to a level which I know I can't complete yet. And once your character dies, so we're going to wait a little bit for that to happen. I'm going to leave my priest here at the front. So once your character dies, then you will get a little icon here with a bar which is going to begin filling up. Now this bar indicates essentially how much time is left until your character is revived. So you don't need to do anything. It is going to be automatically revived as long as the time here passes. And I'm just going to wait for it to show you, to give you a visual representation. I know that the next wave is gonna kill me here because there's a mob which shoots like 3 fireballs, if we even manage to get to it. Okay, so we're just waiting here. All right, well, maybe it's the next one. Probably should have gone here previously, maybe see it, but all right, so we died. Now here you can see your bar for your specific hero. And now this bar is going to begin very gradually filling up, as you can see. Once this gets all the way to the top, then this is going to revive your hero. And that is how you do it, if you manage to stay alive for that long, of course. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.